Hello guys, this is Kuzma Market Intelligence here, and welcome back with another great video on how you can make money online. Very nice way, something new out there, and I hope you really enjoy it and start making money very fast with this great way. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to invite you to click the link below this video. Here you go, in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online from the comfort of your house every single day. Just click the link, follow the instructions, and start generating some money. Also, I would like to ask you and invite you to subscribe, click and subscribe on my channel in order to see my new videos coming out, showing you different ways on how you can make money online. You can view the videos, find the best way that is best for you, and start generating money with no delays. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video on how you can make money online. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure that you know by now, if you're watching my videos, this website called Fiverr, fiverr.com, yeah? So I want you to come and see something that is new here, under video and animation, on the very top where all the major menus are. Go under video and animation, and I would like you to click and see these, the short video ads, which says new, yeah? Alright, and you can see all these different short videos here, which about between 15 and 20 seconds, 30 seconds max, and these are new and very popular. You can make many good money out of it, and the reason is people right now advertising started to push on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn and so on, so people want to generate good and short videos in order that they can push and generate traffic, yeah, generate conversions. So where the fun part and the nice method is, this is brand new, right? It's very popular. You can see these videos are generating and having good money. 676 euros, 42 euros, 72. These guys have 72 reviews on a 72 euro video, and this is just the people who reviewed, so it's more than 100 for sure. 100 multiple 72. This guy is making few thousands out of these videos, yeah? So you can go back and see 171, 122, 85, and the list goes on and on. Now, where the trick is, guys, look at this. These guys making, they had $38 and 38 euros, and he has 232 reviews. Multiply that and you can see where the money is, and this is something brand new. You cannot imagine what's going to happen in a few weeks down the road now once people start to implement this. Now, what I want to show you that this is brand new and this is hot stuff. A lot of people will come and do this, so you have to be the first people taking action. How you can make money of it? Easily. Go to this website and create an account which is free, called FlixPress. Yeah? You can see the account here, FlixPress on the top. FlixPress.com. You can find also any related links with this video below in the description of the video, and you can follow from this one. Start an account, it's free. With the free type, you are able to get 2 minutes of video. So most likely you're gonna need to upgrade, but guys, upgrade and get 35 templates for $1 a month. Peanuts. You see how much money these guys are making. 232 reviews. This guy most likely probably delivered more than 300 orders in order to have the 232 reviews. And multiply that by 38, that's a lot of money, guys. So you'll be able to do this yourself, yeah? So come here to FlixPress, create an account, and this is what I want to show you. Go here on the menus where it says ads, because this is where the money is. And you will see here, ready for you templates that you are able to customize. And you are able to take this, customize it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this video here, for example, look, I hope you can hear. You see, it says a good account done, and then you can see available options that you can modify this video: account done, acting coach, bankruptcy, car dealer, consultant, dentist, designer. There is up to 65 available industries and services, and 6 different color options you can do. So you can choose the list from the service and industry you want, and you can modify it to get a 30-second video out of this template. So only thing you need to do is just choose the industry. You can choose multiple industries, choose it, extract this, put it on Fiverr. You come to Fiverr, you start a seller account very easily. You just click on the become a seller account here, you put your information, and you go back here, you create few different videos based on this one, based on these templates in different categories, so you are covered on the different categories you can provide to your users, and boom, you upload here and you can see. Yeah, just go back and see what these people are doing, what they're offering. Just click here, for example, which is very popular one. Okay, and you are able to see the different packages that they have. So if you scroll down, you compare the packages, you have the basic, which starts at 38, you have the standard 68, you have the premium on 128, and the difference pretty much is on how many seconds the video is and on the days of delivery. Yeah, how fast do you want it, and so on. So very easily go back to this, create different templates, yeah, different industries and so on, or you can choose different videos. Oh, sorry, what happened? Stuck. There we go. Okay, and you, all right, let me go back, sorry, to this one again. Go back to ads. There you go, click on ads here, so I can show you another example. This is also a very good you say here is a group video. Just click on it.
I really need to.
And this girl can provide you very nice different ads when it comes to real estate, when it comes to automotive, cleaning service, beauty and salon. You can actually, guys, with $1 per month for the subscription to get 35 templates, just go ahead, upgrade to this one. You can create 4 different major categories, like the automotive, for example, the financial, the dentist, and so on, the real estate one over here, and put it on your website, upload it, and you have different options. People will contact you, and then probably you're gonna need to get their logo, their contact details. You come back, you modified it, you extract, you deliver, you get paid. Bam! Easy as that, guys. Template is ready for you here, the website is ready for you here. You just take the information from the customer, come back here, modify, extract, deliver, paid. That's it, guys. Very wonderful way. You get the customers from Fiverr.com, which is one of the top sites for these purposes, and that's it. Very easily. That's what I wanted to show you today. If you did like the content on this video, I would like to ask you to give a big thumbs up. There you go, big thumbs up on this one. Do watch the description on the video below in order to see all the links related to this video. And I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel in order to see the next video coming up. Thank you. Start making some money out of it and enjoy the day. Let me know how it goes, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.